Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression 18 minus 18 divided by 18 minus 18. Maybe you solve this math expression in this way. Now first 18 minus 18 is equals to 0, and 18 minus 18 is equals to 0. Now 0 divided by 0 is equals to undefined, but this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, that is here, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. According to this rule, we have one division here that we have to solve it first. As we know, division has a higher priority than these subtractions. So 18 divided by 18 gives us 1. Now we have 18 minus 1 minus 18. Now we have two subtractions here. As we know, when we have more than one subtraction in one expression, we have to solve from left to right. Now 18 minus 1 gives us 17, and 17 minus 18 gives us negative 1. The final answer is negative 1. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.